got juice on me. What's up guys, this is Miles with Tier 1 Concealed. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, we're in the mountains because there's a grasshopper infestation, and when we go shooting, they land on the targets and we've been shooting them off the targets, and then we all thought we should film this with the Phantom because it's kind of awesome. So we're gonna do that today, and we're just gonna walk to show you all the grasshoppers. You see them all? There is no shortage of grasshoppers. We talked to them all. They all said they're cool with it. Some are willing to sacrifice their lives for your entertainment. So here we are, we're doing it. I think, let's just start shooting.
Arguably the hardest part about catching these is deciding which one to go for.
Yeah, and the smaller ones sometimes seem easier, but then they're smaller.
Yeah.
And more squirrely.
And you might be thinking like, oh, it's just a numbers game. You're gonna catch one if you just reach somewhere. And while you're not wrong, it's not as easy as it looks.
All right, this one's staying put.
Oh, nice.
Oh, got him.
We got this nice little Oreo container.
Thanks for the sponsor, Oreo. Oh no!
We already have some in here, so keeping them in there
all right,
might be difficult.
Oh no!
This guy doesn't want to be captured.
Oh my gosh.
I swear he consented. It's weird.
Yeah, full consent from all of them.
Okay.
I feel like I can catch one out of the air.
Oh! Yes,
out of the air!
He called it too.
Maybe that's the strategy.
Oh no! Oh no! Dang it!
Okay, that's the strategy.
If you listen closely, they're all just jumping around like popcorn.
All right, ready when you are.
Okay. Here we go.
I got juice on me.
Oh my gosh.
We're like 10 feet away.
That guy was plump.
Yeah, he was.
Did I just get his head?
I rarely, when we're shooting fruit, I rarely get juiced, and that one juiced me.
And that's interesting because these are subsonics. These are going very slow, like 880 feet per second, allegedly.
Oh my gosh. Dude, right in the dome.
Do you want me to do anything with the camera, or are you good?
I'm close enough, I can just do it. Splat.
All right, my head overboard is gonna be crazy with this one. Ready?
Yeah.
That was the craziest sound.
Yeah, it's like a cartoon death now. All right, guys, thanks for watching. That is the video, shooting bugs on the Phantom camera. Let us know what other high speed or general videos you want to see in the comments, and subscribe, like, share with your friends, buy a holster. We'll see you on the next one.